Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial. At the same time, I'm going to be using new brushes to achieve this makeup look. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this bold, simple makeup look, please just stick around and enjoy and let me know what you think, okay? So to start up, I'm going to be taking the Catrice the Blur face primer. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Like I said before, I'm going to be using new brushes that I got from Bestope, whatever. The name is going to down below, okay? Like the name is somehow. So I'm just going to take this brush set. I love the brush. I love the quantity. Not the quantity, of course, is 11 brushes, and I love the texture as well. The only thing I don't love about this brush is that I don't like the handle is too. It looks too cheap, and yeah. But other than that, I love the brushes, and I love the dancing of the brushes, and yeah. I also have a small foundation brush. That's the only brush I don't really like out of all. But other than that, I love the fact that it has this clutch. You can always use the clutch. You can always make use of it only in any other occasion. So yeah, and I'm going to use my hand just to blend in the foundation primer all over my face and get ready to apply a face powder. The face powder I'm going to be using is by Mercier to set up my face before going in with the foundation, right? And I'm going to be using the powder brush from Bestope Cosmetic. I love the foundation brush. I also love the powder brush. I also love the contour brush. I also love the blush brush, but the rest are not really needed. All right, so for foundation, I'm going to be going with the Marc Jacobs weightless foundation. The shade is going to be down below. I don't have it right here, be with me, okay? I don't have it beside me. So yeah, in case if you guys are wondering why the foundation is full coverage, guys, you know the deal, you know how we roll. I don't have to show the bottle all the time. Of course, I went ahead and applied my Milani plus concealer foundation all in one. So yeah, and I'm just going to blend one side. As you can see, it took me almost 20 minutes to blend in my foundation because the brush was a bit too small. But other than that, it's really giving me flawless look. It's not heavy on my skin. You know, there are some kind of brushes that you use to apply your foundation. Your face will be very heavy, feel super heavy, but it's not giving me that at all. Just that is too small. I'm just going to do the finish with my L.o.v beauty blender just for extra smooth. As you can see, my face is super matte and yeah, flawless because I applied the Milani foundation on top. Okay, so yeah, to set my face from oiling, I'm going to be taking the MAC Skin Finish in the shade dark deep. Going to be using the face powder brush to do the same thing as the setting powder earlier on before. So to highlight, I'm going to be going in with my L.agirl, rather than my go-to, my baby girl, pop. I'm going to be going in with the shades Warm Honey, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, my cupid's bone, under my eye, all those places you need to be glowing to the girls. You know what I mean? You know the jazz. Today I'm extra, right? So to contour my face, to chisel my face, I'm going to be taking this L.agirl concealer as well in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is a very subtle, beautiful shade to contour my face when I don't want to go for an heavy contour. In fact, if that makes sense, my nose, my forehead, all those places. I'm going to be taking this smaller side. This brush I don't like this brush, but I just had to try it, you know, to be honest with you, to tell you how I feel about it. It's just too small for my liking, you know. But other than that, they are well made. They're just well made. Just that, you know, I'm a big vibe. I love both things. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blend in my highlight, my concealer, which is a lighter shade. I'm taking the L.o.v beauty blender to do that. So I'm still going to be setting it with the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder and with the same beauty blender. All this place that I highlighted, which is the lighter concealer, I'm just going to set it from creasing, from moving here and there. And to bronze my face, I'm going to be taking the Guenlain terracotta bronze in ebony. I'm just going to bronze my face. This bronzer is amazing. I've had this bronzer for like years because it's a very beautiful bronzer. So yeah, I'm just going to cheese on my face, you know, cheese on my face. Yeah guys, you know what I did, guys? I will tell you at the end of the video. Okay, this brush I'm using now to contour my face, to contour those places. You see what's happened at the end of the video. So for my nose, I can use a large brush, and there's no other brush for me. There's no other inconvenience brush for me, so I had to go in with my Rather Die, my favorite contour brush, to contour my nose. Okay, so guys, for my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the ABH deep brow pomade in the shade Ebony and taking this Bestope spoolie. It has a angle brush and it has a spoolie as well, which I find very brilliant of them. Whoa, hands down for that. So I'm just going to basically do my eyebrow. This is not an in-depth of eyebrows. I'm going to leave it down below it, right? Okay, so you can check it out and know more details how I do my brow. So yeah, to start up, I'm just going to I prime my face off camera. Okay, I prime my eye off camera. I'm going to be taking this palette that I used on my last video, which is the NYX of Tropic palettes. So I'm going to be taking that shade blue and green. I'm just going to be mixing both of them because I really like the effect of blue and green together. Try it, guys. It's really amazing. It really works well. Okay, I've never tried before. It was just for me to try something different. So yeah, I'm going to be taking that beautiful yellow shade and I'm going to gently diffuse the edges of that two shade that I apply on my crease. I'm still using the small round brush to blend the edges. Okay, this brush is also from Bestope. So anyways, I'm going to be cutting my crease using the NYX I Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Yeah, Warm Honey, if that's the right shade, but anyways, it's going to be down below. So yeah, for my lid color, I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Peaches Matters. I'm just going to be taking the shade Nude. I'm going to be applying it on my lid, and then I'm going to go ahead once again, use my brush and take that the same shade. I'm just going to diffuse the edges of the cut crease so that there's not going to be harsh line. Hold on, girl, what are you doing? Guys, I was using the contour brush. I was using it to remove my highlights. Can you imagine? That was when I was asking myself, why did my under eye went dark all of a sudden? I forgot that it was not the same brush. I'm going to be taking this Sephora blush palette. I'm just going to blush my skin, the blusher. Okay, so yeah, today the reason why I never use a liquid liner, because my eyes are very sensitive. So when I use a liquid liner, I have to go on top with a gel liner. So yeah, it was, as you can see, my eyes was bringing tears. If I use just a liquid liner, I don't know what they used to make it. I had to do a research. I had to Google it. It's always giving me tears. So I had to go in with my NYX cosmetic gel liner. I just had to, you know, do the finish. And also the Catrice liquid liner, it wasn't that black enough. It was looking gray. So yeah, for my waterline, to give my waterline more life, to open my eye more, I'm just going to be taking this Catrice white eyeliner. I'm just going to line my waterline, and I'm still going to be taking this angle brush and take the same shade I apply on my crease, the 2 shade. I'm just going to apply that on my bottom lashes. Okay, I'm just going to blow it out, my lower lash line. So yeah, for extra good feelings, you need some chocolate. The one I'm eating is Bounty. Okay, you need extra chocolate. Chocolate is something else. Okay, just try it when you're not in a good mood, someone won't try to mess with your feelings, take some chocolate and chew it. Okay, your feelings will be very refreshing. Okay, trust me, try it, it works a lot. So for mascara, I'm going to go in with this L.o.v lashes off. I'm just going to pop on my lashes before I apply the lashes. Okay, I'm just going to do under my eye as well. So I'm just going to pop on my lashes, right? The lashes I used on my other video, I believe, but the name is going to be down below because I have a lot of lashes at the moment. Okay, I'm loving this look, how it turned out to, that I didn't use that much bunch of eyeshadow on my crease. If not, I'm not going to be getting the exactly look. Okay, so yeah, to highlight my cheek, the bridge of my nose, all those places, you know, that need to be glowing to the girls, to be telling the girls what's up. So I'm just going to be taking the Anastasia illuminator highlighter, and on my lips I'm going to be taking the Givenchy purple liner. I'm just going to line my lips around. Actually it's the eyeshadow base, but whatever, it's all good. I'm just going to be taking this color Drama by Maybelline. So guys, that's pretty much it for this look. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you watched this video to the end, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share the video. Let me know what you think. If it was helpful, it would look good on me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care, love it, ciao. Mwah.